Combines the benefit of a flat bungee with the safety of a carabiner hook. Flat bungee cord distributes load weight more evenly. Anodized aluminum carabiners are corrosion resistant and connect more securely. Includes 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36-inch lengths. Caution: do not exceed working load limit of 60 pounds per bungee. Wilmar Corporation was founded in 1971. Based in Renton, Washington, Wilmar supplies major retailers as well as distributors throughout North America. By providing quality tools, great service, and innovative packaging and product support, Wilmar has become one of the leading distributors of professional tools in North America. Top reviews from the United States. Great bungee straps. I've used them to strap bags onto my bike, and the flat shape and carabiners make it feel very secure. I like that there's several lengths too. I use the shortest one to leash my dog to the bike basket she sits in when I take her for a bike ride. It's just long enough to clip to her harness on one end and loop around the handlebar stem on the other.